Alicia and I looked, there's a marshmallow just burning on the side of the tree. We're like,
You got it?
We'll
see. Get a little browner.
Hope nobody calls the forest service.
Oh, I'm telling you.
That happened here?
Yeah, it was the funniest thing.
Okay.
Felicia's like, your marshmallow's
All
on fire,
done?
and I couldn't get out, so I just flipped it.
Okay. What are you going to do with it? Let's take it to the chocolate. Are you done? It's not really melty. Put it back on the fire.
The leaves and start a forest fire.
Yeah. I know. I tried.
Uh-oh.
Oops.
Ruh-roh. Oh, well. Oh, no.
Oh, Joe. You like graham crackers.
Okay.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Right, bring it over here.
Wash.
It's all good.
Come on.
It's been washed. It rained on it. It's been
Here, Daddy, help him.
That's a
got
good
to.
one.
Ready?
That's a good one.
Stick it on a...
Yum,
Stick it
yum,
on.
yum.
Come here.
Here y'all go, y'all.
Oh, Joe, come here.
Oh, yeah.
Go.
Come on. Here, you gotta hold it, Graham. Okay, press it down. Press it down and take it off of the stick. Come on here. There you go.
All right. Here you go.
Who's next?
Me,
Take a big old bite.
All right. There's some marshmallows there. If you want one of the Big Daddy marshmallows, we go down below.
Ooh, give me a Big Daddy marshmallow.
Mmm. Is it good, Graham?
They're hard to make a s'more out of.
Oh, are
They're
they?
huge. Oh, look how dirty you are, Graham.